Tuago geteke mambi mapema 12 tuchugwake kura tochoro morai. Tukiendelea kupiga kura, wengine wamepiga, kisha tumeona gari mingi, motorbike nyingi zikienda na kelele. Wamerudi, wameanza kuturusha mawe, rungu, wametupigia kijana yetu panga. Wanapiga wamama wamekuja kukura. Tunaomba waambie watupe amani. Tuchague kiongozi wetu kwa amani. Tunaomba tu serikali tusaidie, walete amani kituo, tumalize kura zetu tuende nyumbani.
Zote wewe ongea.
Tumepiwa na wounds that you have stones, who have pangas, who have lungus, who have even mshale, we call it Zingororo. So I've been beaten here thoroughly. If it was not boys who stand firm, we would have went here to set up the direction. We need peaceful election and we need peace of mind. We will select our leaders peacefully. We know our leaders. We are young people. This is our ward. Any ward is abantu bamindo. Ngitoko buniwa. Abantu bako rusika jamira. Baje kutuita jamira guys. Abantu bosonga ari babosoro. Osoro sane mpi from nini?
South Mugirango.
Njaoja kutusara skimu kaya. Njao to buneta banyanya siongo. Auto ta guns. Ngi kitu wakora.
Mwakaro mama nyano soro bata baba.
Ne gari ya noare ne romanya noare gari muamume. Atwete namba plate. Ngitoko buniwa.
Chikure chiko twachichaka very in the morning peacefully. Nturara muchandondo bwonsi mpaka the time ekero umongwano yajicha n'abantu bandi beji pigipigi babwate meshara batanganye babwate kwende chinsara bono naritwanya oranga gatate ko force this way go chama obugichi twa detect na ki this intention njare ngengiya yagera bono twarana ki we have to intervene agera to protect kigera ntuna abantu bomorembe turikuta kende yonse une serikali yabeire koralio morembe just sort through Ruto has been in the forefront kurwanyo morembe sense yaye bona abantu bagutaka gusarie system ngima yege ntugeria serikali kurwanira na ki abantu bamenyaki bamenya no morembe.
Thank you.